HUMA stock analysis and HUMA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to trade this, how I'm going to play this. And I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos made. That's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. So ultimately, my most recent prediction was obviously the long side, and that was correct. Maybe here's the proof. You know, this was made 15th of May. And how this looked like is I wanted to see the price pull down, give me some sort of confirmation, then I will gladly take it up. And guess what has happened here? Well, exactly that. So ultimately, for the upcoming next week, ideally I want to see a correction, and all I'm going to look to do is still take it up from there on. So I'm talking this sort of thing, and if I don't see that, then I'm not going to buy that. Very, very simple. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. It's free.